Alrighty guys, Chris and Miles Canopy's a 4x4 here. What do we got? We've got Holden Colorado. We're still seeing plenty of these, even though the production run has ended in 2020. And what we're going to do today is going to get a steel canopy fitted on this bad boy. We've got a platform going on it. We're going to get a storage unit on that steel canopy. Look at me, I'm just trying to remember the job card that I saw in the morning. Apart from that, it's going to be a pretty cruisy job. Oh, actually, I'm completely forgetting. We're actually going to get a platform fitted as well. So to get the platform fitted, we're going to remove these lovely rails off this Z71, which was the top trim level that you could purchase on these. Other than that, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, if you're wondering why I'm actually standing in front of a Ford steel canopy, it's because we forgot to shoot the outro for this video, but hopefully you enjoyed us getting our steel canopy assembled and fitted on this Holden Colorado. Sorry, the sun's in my eyes, so you're gonna have to sort of deal with the little slits for viewpoints I've got going at the moment. Anyway, very straightforward, obviously. You got the 2 push locks on either door, gets it all open. I'm not gonna hack here. You guys know, you guys have seen the video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We've got a lot more of these fitment videos in the pipeline, and most importantly, if you want a steel canopy for your ute, we've basically got them for everything available on the market at the moment. Ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Peace.